The best-selling laser engraver isn't always the best one for your needs. That's the myth we're busting today. Everyone assumes more reviews or higher price means better quality. But when you actually dig into performance, safety, and real-world use, the story changes completely. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, ACMER S16W. First up is the ACMER S1 with its 6000 MW laser, a compact powerhouse that caught my eye because it's one of the few under $200 that doesn't feel like a toy. If you want pro-level detail on a budget without sacrificing build quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 455 nm wavelength diode laser cuts cleanly through thin wood, acrylic, and even marks metal surfaces like aluminum oxide, something most entry-level lasers struggle with. The included ACMER tool software is surprisingly intuitive, and it also supports light burn if you're already familiar with it. With a 130 x 130 work area, it's perfect for small custom projects like keychains, phone cases, or personalized gifts. Plus, it arrives 99% pre-assembled. Just snap in the laser head and you're ready in under a minute. Now, some people complained about limited cutting depth on thicker materials. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to slice through 10 plywood in one pass. You'll need multiple passes for anything over 3 m, but that's normal at this price. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist, teacher, or small crafter who wants reliable performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need to cut thick wood or metal regularly. For under $200, the value is seriously impressive. Product number 2, Creality Falcon 10W. Now, if the ACMER S1's power felt a bit limiting, the Creality Falcon 10W steps it up significantly. At $251.09, it's still affordable but brings 10W output and 72W machine power, enough to cut 5 m basswood or 3 m black acrylic in a single pass. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.06 m ultrafine spot focus means you can reproduce intricate designs with hair-thin details. Think custom signage, detailed leather patterns, or even circuit board markings. The repositioning accuracy is less than 0.007 inches, so repeated jobs stay consistent. It also has an anti-UV filter that blocks 97% of harmful rays, which is huge if you're working in a shared space or around kids. And with Wi-Fi, USB, and SD card support, you can operate it offline, no computer needed during engraving. Now, some users mention the assembly takes 10-20 minutes and the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's incredibly stable and reliable. The learning curve is minimal, especially with laser GRBL for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're running a small side business or doing frequent DIY projects that need both speed and precision. Skip this one if you only do occasional engraving. The extra power might be overkill. But for the price, it's one of the best mid-tier options out there. Product number 3, ACMER S1 2.5W. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for absolute beginners, the ACMER S1 with just 2.5W output. At $133.89, it's the most budget-friendly on this list, and honestly, it surprised me how much it can do. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.01 repeatable accuracy and 10,000 min speed mean you get sharp, consistent results even on detailed patterns like names, logos, or QR codes. The same ACMER tool software comes included, and it's so simple that my 12-year-old cousin used it on his first try. The 130 x 130 work area is cozy but perfect for small items like coasters, tags, or jewelry boxes. Here's the thing though, this laser is designed for engraving, not heavy cutting. It'll handle 2 mm acrylic or plywood with a few passes, but if you're looking to slice through material, you need more power. This is perfect for you if you're new to laser engraving or only need it for light personal projects. Skip this one if you plan to sell products or work with thicker materials. For under $140, it's an unbeatable entry point. Product number 4, Creality Falcon 5W. Now, If you like the Creality brand but wanted more workspace, the Falcon 5W delivers with a massive 400x415 area, that's over 16x16 inches. Priced at $169.96, it's a steal for the size and still packs 5W of power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.06 spot size and 0.004-inch accuracy let you engrave fine text or graphics across big surfaces without losing detail. The 32-bit chip boosts speed to 10,000 min, so you're not waiting around. Plus, the eye-protective cover and auto-stop feature make it safer than open-frame models, huge if you're working near others. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for stability and size. Once it's on your desk, it's not going anywhere, and that rigidity improves engraving quality. This is perfect for you if you work with larger materials or batch produce items like signs or trays. Skip this one if you have limited space or only do tiny projects. For under $170, the workspace alone makes it a standout. Product number 5, Xtool F1. Finally, we've got the Xtool F1, the premium pick at $1,286.36. This isn't just another diode laser. It's a dual-system beast with a 10W diode laser for wood and acrylic and a 2W infrared laser for all metals. That means you can engrave stainless steel, gold, titanium, things most desktop lasers can't touch. The speed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ultra Galvo system delivers 0.00199 motion accuracy, so even hair-thin lines in photos come out crisp. The fully enclosed design blocks smoke and filters fumes, which is a game changer if you're working indoors. And with autofocus and mobile app support, setup takes seconds. Now some people balk at the price. Here's the thing though, if you're running a jewelry business, engraving tools, or selling custom metal products, this pays for itself fast. It's not for casual users, but for pros, it's unmatched. This is perfect for you if you need industrial-grade precision and work with metals regularly. Skip this one if you're a hobbyist on a budget, but if you're serious about laser work, this is the top-tier choice. So which one should you pick? The ACMER S1 2.5W is ideal for beginners on a tight budget. The 6W version adds more power for light cutting. The Creality Falcon 5W gives you huge workspace for bigger projects, while the 10W model handles thicker materials with ease. And if you're serious about metal engraving or running a business, the Xtool F1 is in a league of its own. No single laser fits everyone, but one of these definitely fits you.